Yeah. Take time moving, when I run, then I let it go.
Yeah man, loving my country is all I do, you know. Yeah man, love all I do. The river and the mountains. Yeah man, just love my country. Jamaica yard life like shit.
Yeah, I've gone to this like in years.
Yeah. Yeah, it's on this boat around for the ice cream. See the time we catch it, so problem with the east side. Sir, stay strong, yeah? A guidance for the track. Yeah, man.
Try the back of that.
Right, push it. Alright, brother.
Don't know it, bro.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, next thing, man. You know something, so you don't know the man running. Yeah, another day of hard work, you know. I spend time with my classmates, them. Trust me, it's a scene like any other. I love my class, 100% love it, yeah man. It's been a while now since I've been doing this program, yeah man, a hard program, Trinityville to be in fact, yeah man. Big up this white, yeah. Every time. Learn how to drive a truck, so come with me now. Do the right thing. Yeah man. Grind free Christmas. Jamaica yard life 101 and we'll start the Christmas from early. Yeah man, always keeping it real, you know. I beat a cycle today. You know this something go. Oh! Running in a class. Yeah man, it's a blessing. Almost come through there, so it beats them no. Jamaica yard life, like, share and subscribe. Man, it's a blessing out here in the East St. Thomas. Love the countryside, you know. Yeah man. World class there. Like with my community. The officers them always out and about, yeah. Keeping the place safe is a blessing. Blessing, sir. Alright. Yeah man. Like that. Yeah man. Love my community, I love my country, I love my parish. Yeah man, it's a blessing. I'm gonna put on my mask, I forget it in the car. It's a rough task. I said, I'm missing one interview with everybody.
Where you do that from?
Huh? It's for YouTube.
Is it dirty?
Now put on my mask. Now put on my mask. Yeah, I run go for my mask as well. I say it in the car. So you know where there's something go? Out there. Yeah. She always a run on a lap. She always get cheap. I run on a lap. Just take every video with me. Oh Jesus.
Am I ready?
I'll catch him at a different angle. Come in there.
Are you going to organize it? Alright, let me straight. We don't want to be in our bedroom.
Blessings, Empress. Alright. Alright, we're going to reveal the big secret. Nice. Don't jump. Right. Nice. Sweet. Who said this? Alright, this is the ladies and this underwear. Yeah. You know, Jamaica Yard Life 101. Like, share and subscribe. That's my teacher from my high school, Robert Lightburn High. Yeah, it's a blessing. Clothing and textile, but you know we always here. Last for words. But we're here and ladies them will perform, them will do them much the right way. Yeah. Always out here. Yeah, blessings every time.
With them something them are the best on the thing. Look good.
Everybody pass?
We don't know yet that.
Some people feel.
That's the telling like on the woman. What kind of game you have about, girl?
I'm proud of
Everybody's so nice. No, this nice. Not bad. You know, all these practice and that's another their chat.
I'm trying to the limelight. May I agree? Come and do don't put me in an outfit.
Alright. Woo! This is the Allied Health class, and these are the ladies that are taking part in this program. Huh? If me do what? Oh, no, yeah man, later man. Yo, after school, you know, it's a blessing. Ladies, them will go home one by one, bunch by bunch, you know. Blessings. Blessings. Real blessings. See there. Outside, you know? Yeah. Blessings, Empress.
Yeah, me mother. Then I'm playing with me around me again.
Country, now this is how we keep it real, you know? Yeah, man. Brother Jeff there sort out him fence line. Pretty up the place, you know? As you can see. Run back there. Yeah, man, the place I go pretty soon. It's a blessing, man. No place like country, as I said. You have to just love life and love the surroundings. Must not go. Oh, daddy! Blessings, man. Yeah, man, one love, one heart. Jamaica Yard Life. Yeah, Jamaica Yard Life, yeah?
Yes, so peeps,
take it easy.
yeah,
Alex passed by on the block. So,
Jamaica
you know, just a
Yard
pass
Life
on the love.
channel.
In the live, though.
You can go over and subscribe to
Yes, man.
Jamaica Yard Life.
It's Alex right there.
Alright, so
It's a blessing, yeah?
yeah.
Yeah, man, Elite Jamaica. Can like, share, and subscribe to Elite Jamaica.
So it's another day. And
If you want to learn something educational, yeah,
man.
it's a blessing, man. But for me, you know, if you want to keep it real, yeah, man, natural, real yard life, you get to see things as it is. Yeah, a little bit of editing, but we keep it natural. There, I look on the pepper tree. And it has flourished so far. Quite a few young pepper. Everybody, by now, this, I love pepper, you know, so always eat off the fit one then. God bless will leave. And I feel like I'll eat them too, you know, idea. But so it going on. Nothing like country. Nothing like yard, you know. No place like home. Blessed ground. Fruitful as always.